Mastering ISO 14224. ISO 14224 is the key to unlocking operational excellence. When an organization aims to achieve operational excellence, what is the purpose and scope of the ISO 14224 standard, and how does its implementation relate to the pursuit of operational excellence in terms of promoting reliability, maintaining asset integrity, and optimizing overall performance? The purpose and scope of the ISO 14224 standard are to provide guidelines for the collection and exchange of reliability and maintenance data in industrial applications, with a focus on the oil and gas industry. This standard aims to facilitate the implementation of reliability-centered maintenance (RCM) and other maintenance strategies by standardizing the terminology, definitions, and data formats used to describe equipment, events, and failures. In the context of operational excellence, the implementation of ISO 14224 is crucial for promoting reliability, maintaining asset integrity, and optimizing overall performance. The standard provides a framework for collecting and analyzing data on equipment performance, failure modes, and maintenance activities, which enables organizations to identify opportunities for improvement and optimize their maintenance strategies. One of the primary purposes of ISO 14224 is to facilitate the development of a comprehensive equipment hierarchy, which is essential for reliability analysis and maintenance planning. The standard provides guidelines for categorizing equipment into functional locations, systems, and subsystems, allowing organizations to identify critical equipment and focus their maintenance efforts on the assets that have the greatest impact on operational performance. ISO 14224 also provides a standardized set of definitions and codes for describing equipment failures and maintenance activities, which enables organizations to collect and analyze data in a consistent and reliable manner. This includes definitions for failure modes, failure causes, and maintenance activities, as well as codes for classifying equipment failures by type, severity, and impact on operations. By implementing ISO 14224, organizations can establish a robust system for collecting and analyzing reliability and maintenance data, which is essential for optimizing maintenance strategies and improving operational performance. The standard provides a framework for identifying and prioritizing maintenance activities based on the reliability and criticality of equipment, as well as the cost and impact of maintenance activities on operational performance. In terms of promoting reliability, ISO 14224 enables organizations to identify and address the root causes of equipment failures, which is critical for reducing downtime and improving overall equipment reliability. By analyzing failure data and identifying trends and patterns, organizations can optimize their maintenance strategies and improve the overall reliability of their equipment. Maintaining asset integrity is another critical aspect of operational excellence, and ISO 14224 provides a framework for identifying and mitigating risks to asset integrity. The standard provides guidelines for assessing and managing risk, which enables organizations to identify and prioritize maintenance activities based on the potential impact on asset integrity. Finally, ISO 14224 enables organizations to optimize their overall performance by providing a framework for continuous improvement. The standard provides guidelines for identifying opportunities for improvement and implementing changes to maintenance strategies and practices. By analyzing data and identifying trends and patterns, organizations can optimize their maintenance activities and improve overall operational performance. In conclusion, the implementation of ISO 14224 is essential for achieving operational excellence in industrial applications, particularly in the oil and gas industry. The standard provides a framework for promoting reliability, maintaining asset integrity, and optimizing overall performance, and its implementation is critical for identifying opportunities for improvement and optimizing maintenance strategies. By establishing a robust system for collecting and analyzing reliability and maintenance data, organizations can improve overall equipment reliability, reduce downtime, and optimize their maintenance activities, ultimately leading to improved operational performance and competitiveness.